We're taking the daily today, not the Lexus. We gotta go dig out the Integra and put it for sale. Best thing about having dailies like this, the keyless, like stuff like that, something you can't have on a drift car and shit. So gotta make sure you have a daily, be comfortable. Shouts out Lucky Labo, these are fire. Go ahead and pick it up, it's squash. Alright, so ignore the mess. My parents' garage is a mess. I need to get this out so they can clean it. And this is gonna probably be sold to a subscriber that follows the channel. So I'm gonna take it out, wash it for them, and put the distributor back together and probably clean the interior. Thing is pulled out, Dizzy's back on, everything's ready to go. About to jump it so we can get those windows up. I'm gonna wash them, put it back in its home right here, so when they pick it up they can buy it ready to go. Got my boy Jose out here helping us, and my homie Reggie just pulled off, but look at that shit. Sheesh. That's my little bro's car, his daily, Jose's whip, and somebody's possible next whip. Bro, this fool's a mean. Hey, tell me you work in telecom without telling me you work in telecom.
Got 2 gauge right there.
Dude. Okay, so we didn't have Japer cables, but he had some cable. We're gonna get the cables on so I can get the windows up. All right, I'm done. I'm fucking done. Watch, I'm gonna start it, watch. Nothing. That's how it goes.
That's crazy, man. Yeah.
Hey, telecom. Hey, Foreman's be like.
You see shit work, that's the best feeling.
Yeah, for real. Alright, so we got the windows up, now I can wash it. And go get some Dunkin' Donuts. You know what? I forgot I don't have to put the clutch in for that. I'm done. Fuck it. So while it's warming up, let me just explain real quick. So yeah, the Integra, cleaned it, took pictures of it, sent it to the possible new buyers. I let them know that, you know, this is what it looks like. It owes money on tags. It has the lien title, blah blah. And so we'll see next week if they buy it. If not, if you want to buy it, $500. I have lien paperwork in my name, and it owns like maybe $400 on paperwork. I don't know for sure, to be honest.